A box plot is the graph of a 5-number summary, which we defined in the previous video. To build a box plot, we need to start with a number line. We then put a box between Q1 and Q3. We draw a line in the box at the median. And finally, we add lines that go out to the minimum and the maximum values. Let's consider this data set here. We can see that this number 9 here is our median. The minimum is 2. The maximum is 25. For the left side of the data, we have a median of 3.5, halfway between 2 and 5. And for the right side, we have a median of 11, halfway between 10 and 12. So here we have our 5-number summary. Here I have a picture of the box plot. We see a box between 3.5 and 11. We have a line in the box occurring at 9. And then we have, in this case, horizontal lines that go to the point 2 and 25. Each part of our box plot represents 25% of the data. This means that this horizontal line here contains 25%. The left side of the box has 25% of the data. The right side of the box has 25% of the data. And this vertical or horizontal line here has 25% of the data. And this is because we have 25% below Q1, 25% between Q1 and Q2, 25% between Q2 and Q3, and 25% that is bigger than Q3. The version of the box plot we've been looking at, however, does lose the information about the outlier in this data set that we discovered in the previous video. Outliers are usually shown using what's known as a modified box plot. Here is the modified box plot for this data set. We still have our box that occurs between Q1 and Q3. We still have the line in the box at the median, or Q2. However, we denote outliers with an X or sometimes another symbol. Sometimes you'll just see it as a dot. And our segments, our horizontal segments in this case, only go to the largest and smallest non-outlier values. Since the last two data points in our data set were 12 and 25 was the outlier, we marked 25, and now we only go out to the number 12 when we draw our horizontal line.
If you would like to see Professor Pierce make more videos like this one, you can support her on Patreon in the link below. Any and all support means a lot to her. It allows her not only to make more videos, but it also allows her to campaign for free and accessible online education to conferences and other universities. Thank you for watching, and remember, math is for everyone.